over the next few years, Bitcoin will go after the market cap of gold. It has a shot to go around 500,000 US dollars to 600,000 US dollars per Bitcoin. The value of the tokens that you have will always be based on how much they are used. Hey guys, so in this video, I want to talk about why I stopped buying Bitcoin over the past few weeks. And by the time I'm making this video, please remember that Ethereum, ETH, is hitting an all-time high. It's at 2,836 right now. And BNB also hit an all-time high almost at the same time as Ethereum was going up. And while this is all happening, we have other tokens and coins even pushing higher as well. So that's the context of this entire video. Why did I stop buying Bitcoin? But let me clarify everything to all of you. I'm a very, very big fan of Bitcoin. I believe that Bitcoin is the future. I really believe that Bitcoin is digital gold. I really believe that it's disrupting the way we look at money. I really believe also that as more US dollars are being printed, the more the value the dollar will be. And the more we move in time, the more accepted Bitcoin will be. As what I've said in previous videos, we are not going back from this. Bitcoin will be accepted more and more and more and more and more. And here's the thing, the fact that we are seeing more wealthy people going into this speaks volumes. But above and beyond that, this is what I believe. Above and beyond Tesla, over the next few months and over the next few years, we will see more and more companies put Bitcoin into their balance sheet. I am not selling my Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin I have, I am holding it. Whatever I had since 2018, it's still there. Whatever I bought over the past few months, it's still there. Every time I have fresh funds, right now, it's going somewhere else. If you look at it right now, Bitcoin is around 57,000 US dollars, 58,000 US dollars. It's swinging around that level. You don't have to take what I say as gospel truth, but what I believe is this. Over the next few years, Bitcoin will go after the market cap of gold. It has a shot to go around 500,000 US dollars to 600,000 US dollars per Bitcoin over the next few years. And I also believe that in the midterm, Bitcoin has the ability to go to 100,000 US dollars. Please do remember, no matter how much I talk about it here, never ever buy, sell, hold, or avoid Bitcoin just because I talk about it here. Please do your own due diligence. Please do your own deep dive, because at the end of the day, this is still a high conviction investment. Only invest pag naintindihan nyo na. Only invest if you have full conviction on it. Because if you don't have full conviction on it, every time there will be volatility, you'll be swayed down. So if Bitcoin goes to 100,000 in the midterm, if Bitcoin goes to 600,000 over the long term, at 56,000, 57,000, 58,000, where we are right now, I would just earn probably 40% if it goes to 100,000. If it goes to 500,000, 600,000, then you get 10x. Over the short term, right now, while I'm making this video, May 2021, money is going to altcoins. Just to clarify, I am not by all means leaving the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies, tokens, blockchain, digital currencies are the future. I'll never stop saying that. If you believe it's amazing right now, wait for it until the apps get built on top of those platforms. Ethereum, the Binance Smart Chain, when you see more of that hit scale and everyone sees it, then it's going to become more interesting. It's going to become even bigger. The heights of what smart contracts, DeFi, dApps, DEXs can do, it just blows my mind right now. From an investor's point of view, the upside that I will have right now won't be as rosy as whereas if I bought Ethereum. Let me give you an example. If Bitcoin goes from 58,000 to 100,000, that's roughly around 40%, more or less. I did not compute, estimate lang. But if you look at it, Ethereum right now hit around 2,800. And if you recall it, not even more than 2 weeks, Ethereum was 2,000. So that means Ethereum went from 2,000 to 2,800, earning 40% in just a few days. Even if you zoom back, Ethereum was around 1,500 to where it is right now. So if you look at it, the growth of it was massively bigger than what Bitcoin performed. BNB also in the same manner also moved up. On some of the tokens that I have been studying, DEXs are the future. I really believe DeFi is the future. And that's why I've been spending a lot of time with PancakeSwap Cake. I've been spending a lot of time Bakery Swap, then even Burger. I was surprised that even Burger moved up over the past few days. So because Ethereum's gas fees are higher, and if you compare it to what's happening in BSC, anything that's connected to the Binance Smart Chain, sobrang mura ng gas fees ng Binance Smart Chain over Ethereum. And that's why PancakeSwap has overtaken Uniswap. And that's why you are seeing more and more, not just people going into anything that's BSC related, but you are seeing more and more transactions, you are seeing more values being locked in it. Maybe if Bitcoin drops a bit, maybe if it becomes more attractive, that's when I start putting in more. I'm trying to focus more on projects. I'm trying to focus more on tokens that I like the utility. So people would categorize this era where we are at as altcoin season, and you're seeing Bitcoin dominance drop a bit, meaning if you add the thousands of cryptocurrencies that we have right now, half of that value is almost Bitcoin in market cap level. The remaining half, those are all the altcoins that's there. So in terms of stability, I think the most stable crypto/tokens that we have right now would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also BNB. Then, you add all of the stable coins out there also that kung nagbagsakan lahat, since they're pegged to the dollar, it gives you a level of stability. When you look at the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency market, you always would look into just Bitcoin as your reference. You would look at Ethereum, you would look at XRP. But when I took a deep dive and I tried to study it more, there's so much in the altcoin space that we could actually invest into that's so interesting that hindi pa siya ganun kalaki yung tinaas. So Bitcoin is amazing, but its upside right now as compared to the other altcoins isn't as big. Kasi even if you look at it, when I was looking at Bakery, it was around I think 1.15. It wasn't even traded in USDT pa. The only way that you could have bought it is you needed to buy BUSD first. Suddenly, because there were more people transacting in it also, we saw it hit 2.5, 3, 4.5. Then it even hit a high of 6. Then right now, I think it's retracing below the 5 level. What I would do is when I take profits, 10% of that, I will allot for Bitcoin. Pero hindi ko muna siya bibilhin ngayon. Iiwan ko lang siya as bala that later on, should I see Bitcoin correct even further, gagamitin ko na yung bala na yun pambili. Then I have another 10% allotted for Ethereum. 10% tax for Bitcoin, 10% tax for Ethereum, then 10% tax also for BNB. So altcoins, since they're moving, once I determined an area for me to take profits, regardless if it's based on technicals or regardless when I think it's already too high in terms of market cap versus the other coins that's there, I sell. Ginagamit ko yung altcoin para pampondo sa Bitcoin ko, para pampondo sa Ethereum ko, para pampondo also sa BNB ko. Whenever there are new people that would ask me what's a good coin to buy, I would always mention Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB because they're the safer ones. I don't think this is recommended also for everyone because iba-iba tayo ng risk tolerances, iba-iba tayo ng kayang i-take na volatility. The ones that would pump, they have a larger sense also that if they dump, yung volatility niya would be larger and stronger on the downward direction. That's what I'm actually saying. So if you're watching this and then you don't have even the experience of the volatility sa stock market or you're new pa lang even in the cryptocurrency space, okay lang. It's very, very prudent to keep on stacking Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the future. The value of the tokens that you have will always be based on how much they are used. The ones that's used the most right now, Ethereum, kahit mahal yung gas fees niya, primarily because of NFTs. And NFTs will change everything, by the way. Then you also have BNB. So if you don't want the volatility, those three, I think over the next 5 years, over the next 10 years, they will have staying power. I could be wrong. I don't have a crystal ball. But I'm just saying, in terms of my money, mas madami ako nalalagay sa Bitcoin, sa Ethereum, and BNB versus all of the other coins out there. I place another 10% tax also for USDT. Yun yung parang take profits ko also that gets stashed already for safety. Then the remaining 60%, that's what I use to buy other altcoins. That's what I use to position also to get other altcoins as well. For growth right now, I'm focusing on a lot of altcoins. For growth right now, I'm trying to position to just buy as much as I can into other ones that would give me higher growth. But the ultimate goal for me is to to just continually stack more Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. What's the best way to take it out? I have not tried to take out any of my cryptocurrencies. I don't plan to take out any of my cryptocurrencies. As of the time of this recording, May 2021, whatever is in the cryptocurrency space for me will be there, and I don't plan to take it out yet. Cryptocurrencies, tokens, are money 2.0. I don't want to take it back, or I don't want to bring it back into fiat, which is not as advanced as what we're seeing in the cryptocurrency space. I'm not directly buying Bitcoin, I'm buying altcoins, but whatever I have, I'm holding my Bitcoin. I want to stack and I want to own as much Bitcoin as I can as possible, because I really believe Bitcoin is digital gold. It's scarce and it's the future. I hope you guys learned a lot from this. And by the way, my name is Marvin Germo. If you want more of this, like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell so you get updated every time we come up with new content about investing. And it's so amazing. We are now at 253,000 subscribers. It's so interesting that we have a Filipino channel that's focused on investing that people are watching. So thank you so much. Saturday next week, we are doing Stock Smart's technical analysis. The technical analysis that we are doing next week will be different. It won't just be focused on Philippine stocks and US stocks. We are applying technical analysis for Philippine, US, and cryptocurrency markets. So if you want to know more about candlesticks, support and resistance, trend lines, MACD, moving averages, ADX, RSI, Bollinger Bands, parabolic SAR, Fibonacci retracements. We're going to talk about that. 2 straight weekends, 4 days, half days. Link is in the description below. And of course, we're having the largest investment conference in the country called Investment Conference 2021. We're having Tony Herbosa, Randall Chongson, Rex Mendoza, David Lichu, Michael Manuel, Philip Hagedorn. A lot of the thought leaders in the financial space here in the Philippines will be with us. May 28 and 29, Investment Conference, Friday, Saturday. Link is in the description below. And you're watching this and you want to know how can you actually invest in the cryptocurrency market space. For those that want to enter very, very easy, you can try eToro. It allows you to trade between US markets, global markets, and the cryptocurrency market. For those that want to buy more altcoins naman and just hodl it, you can try Binance also below. Everything is in the description below. And I have books available on Shopee, and then we have 2,000 videos already here in YouTube that you can all watch for free. All aim to help you learn more about investing. And ultimately, that's the main goal of why I create daily videos every time. The heart and the goal of this channel is not just to inform people about investing. That's not just that. In the midst of this pandemic, that there's so much opportunity around that. In the midst of this pandemic, no matter what's happening, no matter where you are, you have the means also to live life at your own terms. You have the means also to take control over your life. It's time that we stop saying na pangit yung nangyayari around us and nothing good is gonna happen. It's time that we make ourselves better instead of waiting for things to get better, because everything we need to prosper is right in our hands right now. And it's time that we don't focus on our friends, we don't focus on what's going on. All we need to focus on is ano ba yung goal nyo, ano ba yung kailangan yung matamaan na goal financially, and then you keep on pushing that. That's why I never tire of making videos like this, because our generation, that when we hit our 40s and 50s, we would be massively better off, that we get to be a blessing to the people around us, to the people older than us, and to the people younger than us. Because at the end of the day, whatever we earn right here, it puts us in a position to be able to help other people. Because there's a purpose for prosperity, there's a purpose for us earning more. I hope that this channel transcends na hindi lang tayo pera-pera lang. I hope that you realize that the goal of us earning more is so that we can also, of course, have a comfortable life. We get to use what we have to make a difference in the lives of other people. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.